Okay, so for making this beautiful header, what we can do, we can just go to the appendix first, and here we have to make some menus. So let's make some menus. Here you can see we have the home, about, featured, stories, categories, blocks, and contact. Okay, so let's go to this. Here we can add final menu. Here we can have the header menu and one. If you want to create, we can just do this. Okay, like this. Also, you can just add this home. Okay, let's add this home. Okay, we can also add this shop. Okay, and some custom links where I will show you how to go to the respective section, about, home, about. Okay, then you can see what you have, featured stories. So we can have the featured, featured, and here also we can have the stories, stories, and we have the contact and blocks. So we can keep this contact. This is also contact. Okay, now let's save this menu. Okay, then we can close this. Now we can just go to the templates, and here you have the theme below. Let's open this. Okay, here you can see that we have this header. Now let's upload a new header. Okay, we can upload this header. Okay, now you can see we have this Electra Hub. So again, we have to add a new container. Okay, and here we can add this header. Okay, and this would be 1400. And here we can also have these colors like theme 1. Okay, now you can see we have to add another container. This is I think 1400. Okay, right. Now we can add here one more container. Okay, and this would be space within center, and this would be border default one solid one. Here we can make this black, and this would be border radius 100. Okay, and here we can have this 20. Now you can see we have this Electra have same logo. So what we can do, we can just go here and we can just open the footer again. So we're gonna copy that footer logo here. Okay, so I will show you how you can copy this from different tabs. Like we have the header and footer, so we have to copy the footer logo to the header. So how we gonna copy that? Okay, so let's see if you want to copy this. Let's copy this from here. And here you can see we have the header. Let's paste it here. Okay, we can make this fully black. Okay, and here also we can make this fully black. Okay, now we have this menu. We can have this menu. Okay, so here we can make this full width and center. Want to say that, and here we can have this 600. Okay, and here we can have this too. And here we can make this to black. Okay, and here also we can make this to something like we can give some other shade, like we can try. Okay, let's try this secondary color. Let's try this secondary color. Okay, so we can have this different shade. Also, we can try this 500. Okay, so this is looking good, or 600. Okay, so you can see this is good. Now we can just publish this one, so we don't do any changes. Entire site. Now we have to add this icon. So how to add this? For that we can search for the cart. Here you can see we have the cart. So this is the menu cart. So we can just drag and drop this menu cart here. So you can see here, you can see this is working. So here you can choose the basket medium. Okay, here you can see we have so much basket medium we have choose. So here what we can do, we can just hide the subtotal. Double would be there. Additional option we have automatically open cart. We don't want this. So here you can see that we have to first increase the size of the icon. So let's increase the size of the icon like this. We can keep this 25. Perfect. We don't want the padding. We don't want the padding. We also don't want the border width nor border radius. Okay, and here we can choose icon color to black like this. Everything is done. If I see, okay, let's publish. And after that, if I see, we have this 220 and 20. Let's keep this 10. Okay, from the left and right, we can have this 20 published. But after that, if I go here and if I refresh it here, you can see, okay, you can see this is not working. Okay, so this is working, bro. There is some refreshing, so you can see this is fully working. Also, if you want to make this sticky, let's try to make this sticky. This will work or not, I don't know. But we can try to make this sticky. So how we gonna do that? Let's first we gonna give this a color. Okay, now we're gonna go to this motion effect. Here you can see in the motion effect we have the sticky at the top. So it will be sticky like this. Let's try this. Because I also don't try this in my live website, which I've already made. I'm gonna make this sticky. I want to make this sticky. So let's try to make this sticky. Okay, so you can see this is looking very good, I think. Only we have to have some space at the top. So like here you can see the sticky offset. So let's see we can make this 30. Okay, here we can make this 20. So this will be like this. Okay, we can also make this to 20. Sticky offset, let's try this 20. Okay, let's publish. So I think this will work when we move. Let's try this. So you can see when this is refresh, so when I scroll below, you can see we have this sticky effect. Okay, so this is really big. We can try this 10 value. Okay, now if I go here and if I refresh this, you can see we have this sticky and this is really looking good, I think.